If someone emerges from this first round as the winner, they are going to have fewer than 1 million votes in a country of over 30 million people, in which over 9 million people are registered to vote. In our political culture, that is not a commanding mandate. That is not a signal that a large majority of the people support whoever that person is. That is a signal that there was a majority on that day.
What should be done?
Well, I think it would require whoever would win in a first round to approach it with a bit of humility and with an understanding that they will be the next leader, but they need to reach out to other political factions. They need to be governing inclusively. They need to be listening to the desires and the fears and the objectives of a wider cross-section of society, and to govern in a way where people feel they are being heard.